Welcome to Snotty Science. Today we are talking about the grossest rainbow in the human body. Every time you blow your nose, you are looking at a biological status report. Clear, white, yellow, green, red, or even black. Your boogers change colors like a disgusting mood ring. But what do those colors actually mean? And when should you start panicking? Let's start with the baseline. Clear. If your snot is completely clear, congratulations. Your nose is functioning perfectly. Clear mucus is mostly water, dissolved salts, proteins, and antibodies. Your body pumps out about a quart of this every day to act as a sticky moat, trapping invaders and keeping your respiratory system perfectly hydrated. It's the unsung hero of your immune system. But what happens when things go wrong? If your snot turns white and cloudy, you are experiencing a biological traffic jam. Usually caused by a cold or a mild infection, your nasal tissues swell up and become inflamed. This slows down the flow of mucus. As it sits there, it loses moisture, becomes incredibly thick, and turns cloudy. You aren't necessarily sick yet, but your body is preparing for a siege. When that white paste turns neon yellow, the war has officially begun. That yellow color means your immune system is deploying its frontline soldiers. White blood cells, specifically a type called neutrophils. These cells are basically microscopic kamikaze fighters. They rush to the infection site, engulf the viruses, and destroy them. The yellow color you see is literally the mass gathering of these defender cells getting ready to fight. And that brings us to green. Most people think green snot means you need antibiotics, but that's a myth. Green boogers are just a microscopic graveyard. When those white blood cells die fighting off your infection, they burst open and release an iron-rich enzyme called myeloperoxidase. It's the exact same chemical reaction that makes old copper turn green. You are blowing a metallic graveyard out of your face. Now for the warning signs: red and pink. If you see this, it's blood. But don't freak out immediately. Usually, it just means the air is too dry, or you've been picking your nose like a maniac. Your nasal cavity is lined with tiny, fragile blood vessels. When they crack, they leak into the mucus. Think of it like a minor scrape, just on the inside of your skull. Finally, the rarest and most alarming colors: brown and black. If you are a heavy smoker, or you work in a coal mine or a very dusty factory, your nose is just doing its job, acting like a heavy-duty air filter trapping all that debris. But if you haven't been inhaling smoke or dirt, black snot is a massive red flag. It is the primary symptom of a serious fungal infection in your respiratory system, and you need to get to a doctor immediately. So the next time you empty your nose into a tissue, take a second to look at the color. Your body is writing you a highly detailed, extremely gross status report. Keep your fingers out of your face, stay hydrated, and subscribe for more snotty science.